Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will use a light to do a test for different grades of EPS raw material. The first one is graphite EPS raw material. Light can ignite the raw material, but the fire from the self-extinguish. The second raw material is flame-retardant EPS. The light can ignite the raw material, but the fire from the self-extinguish. Both graphite and flame-retardant EPS are mainly used for the construction. The third one is regular type EPS raw material. Light can ignite the raw material, and of the fire, the raw material still burning. It's mainly used for the packaging. Highly appreciate Stark's help to finally have this video. If you like it, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next video.